Hi everyone, welcome back again in this lecture, and in this video we'll study about application of KVL with the help of another example. So the idea of this question is to understand the flow of current in a loop. So for a current to flow, we require a loop must be completed. So that is the hint to solve this problem. So in this given question, we need to find out the value of current I. So as we know that to apply the KVL, we have to first assign the polarity of resistors, because here voltage has already polarity minus to plus. So here and what we know, in the direction of current, potential drops. So the direction of current is already given. So current is flowing in this way from left to right, thereby it will be plus to minus, and here it's the same loop. So current is flowing downward, so plus to minus. So in the direction of current, always write plus to minus for a resistor. Now we can apply the KVL in this, which is 9. So minus to plus. So what we need to remember again, as if you have watched the last video, you would have seen that whenever we move from minus to plus, it is plus V, and plus to minus, it is minus V. It means there is drop in the voltage. If V is 5 volt, it will be minus 5. If V is here 5 volt, in this case it is plus 5. So let's apply the KVL in this loop. So minus to plus, which is plus, so 9. Now plus to minus is minus. Then apply Ohm's law on the resistor, which is I into R. So 4 into current I. Then plus to minus, which is again 4 into current I, equals 0. We started from this point and came back at the same point. So this gives us 8 times current equals 9. Finally current is 9 over 8, which is 1.125 amperes. Okay. So 1.125 is the current that flows in this loop. Now, what is the effect of this? This will not add any effect in this value to find out the current. So what is the application of this part? So this is not the part of our loop. So we are completing the loop in this path. So we don't need this one to measure the current in this loop. What would be the current through 2 ohm resistors, if I would ask? So the current passing through the 2 ohm resistors would be 0. That is because there is no loop. It's not forming any loop. Okay. If we connect through this, then there would be some current passing through it. Okay. But if I ask you what is the voltage at this point, okay, it would not be 0, right? Because whatever is voltage here, plus minus 3. Minus of minus 3 would be the voltage at this point. So let's say we need to find out the voltage at the point A. So for that, we'll start from this point and move till this point to find out the voltage at point A. So minus 2 plus is 9, plus 9. Then plus to minus is 4 into minus is minus. So minus 4 into I, which is 9 by 8. Then plus to minus is minus. So minus times the voltage given, right? So minus of minus 3. And we reached at the point A, therefore we'll just write VA. So this is the voltage at the point A. 4 to the 8, 4.5. So 9 minus 4.5 is 4.5. And minus minus plus, which is 3, equals VA. So the voltage at the point A is nothing but 7.5 volt. But there is no current passing through this. So if I ask you the voltage at this point, that will also be the 7.5 itself, because there is no current passing through the 2 ohm resistor. So that's all about this lecture. Hope you found this video insightful. Stay connected for the next video.